last time. That's the last situation. If you are missing now, the people are unlucky. That's why I gave a little time only. Give yourself big effort. You came the right station. Now you will get the real life will start now. Would like to become a soldier? Soldier means army man. Okay, actually really every person is an army man, but we don't know. We will fight with the circumstances, but we will win somewhere. We will defeat somebody. Okay, ourselves will lose sometime. Okay, why? Achievement. We need achievement. Okay. Now, this season, feel that army training. If you win, आपको भारत में सैल्यूट करो. आप इधर भी काम नहीं करोगे, जरूर लिख के जाओ. आप कभी भी काम नहीं करोगे. जरूर फिक्स. If you are not working here, never you will work. Definitely your life will be very violent. Sure, 100%. If you are not working here, you never get work in it. మీరు ఇక్కడ పని చేయకపోతే ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకోకపోతే మీ జీవితంలో ఎక్కడ కూడా పని రాకుండా పోతారు. It is 100%. Like I have a live example with me. Who came with me and who completed this fellowship program? They are earning now 20,000 salary. Who left that time with us? They are begging somewhere for jobs. That is a tremendous transformation. Okay, badlavan. Okay, if you want to get that tremendous transformation, you need to be stronger in this solution. Otherwise, you won't get anything. Do you think about? That's why I asked you, whom do you like more? Okay, parents. Most of the answers came. The parents are the family. Okay. Till today, 25 and 26 years, the family members have given everything to us. Their food and shelter and love and affection. Okay, fabulous and fantastic form, environment to live happily. But even 25 years and 26 years, what we give back to our family? That's in a bigger question. This is the right time. This is the right situation. If you want to contribute yourself to your family, you would like to give the shoulder for your family. This is the right situation. And train up here and go somewhere with the right and dynamism, leadership qualities, and you would like to see. You are saying no, all the people now. I would like to this. I would like to go. After the completion of Deshpur Fellowship program, your mindset will be changed. So well. No, we are not changing your mindset. You will be like okay, but you will get more constant. You will get confident how you going to be that, making that. You will show the ways how you need to be. This is very important. You would like to give one contribution. You would like to be given shoulder for your family members. Okay. आपको फैमिली को मदद करना चाहते हैं? Yes. Sure. Yes. मी तल्लीतंड्रुలకు సాయం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారా? Okay, sure. That's if your answer is a yes, but you should never leave this Deshpur until they pull out from outside. Okay, until they pull out from your side the certificate, until you never going to be put out your leg. Don't put your legs out. If you are not see Deshpur Fellowship as giving the beautiful knowledge, the Western countries what they are giving knowledge for social entrepreneurship and leadership qualities and dynamism skills. Only the Deshpur Fellowship program is given. We are not a rich family background people to study Western countries, go Western countries and study. No, this isn't like Western country studies. Okay, this is a very nearby Western country studies. What they are learning, the Oxford and Cambridge University, the social entrepreneurship chapter, we will learn now. You are going to do that. Don't feel that afraid English. English isn't very easy. Okay, I will tell you the funda of English learning, how it is very so simple. Okay, is there marker? It's okay, fine. Okay. First one is listen, please. What you should be? Listen. How much you are understanding, you are not understanding, doesn't matter. అది మీకు సమయం కాదు. మీరు లిసన్ వినండి, ఎంత అవుతుందంటే స్పీచ్ వినండి, క్లాसेस వినండి, ओके लिसन, ओके भाषण क्लासेस लेक्चर होता है ना, सुनो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सुनो. एक बच्चा एक पैदा हो गया ना, वो बच्चा कितने साल से बात करने की चालू करते हैं? एक साल. ओके, oh 1.5 before that what you will do? Babbling, and that will be observing everything. They will cleanly they are observing. You are the four like this kids and king for us. Okay, you feel that I'm the king. Don't, okay, means half knowledge is very dangerous. Okay, if you keep it that I'm okay, I learned something, okay, I can put that, okay, I can do. No. Blank mind, sit here, blank mind, you will get thousands of tons of knowledge. You are not, you came with an so-called prejudice, okay, judgmental, and then we way into study, okay, then Allah chestana, question chestana. No. Sit and quiet and listen as much as possible, and if you have a doubt and ask a question, get a clear answer, and try, listen, more listen. Okay. Your mind is very blank, telling, I'm not telling any kahani. No, it is not a story, it is a scientific evidence I'm telling. If you are listening most of the words, unconscious mind will absorb your the words. But just if you are listening, that will be very fine for you. The words will store inner side unconsciously. When the situation is comes, the automatically words will come out from your mouth. It is a scientific, okay, scientific proof. One. Okay, professionally I am the communication skills trainer, but Kannada medium student and Telugu medium student I will teach for English. They do, okay, there is no vocabulary, most of the people from Kannada medium or Telugu medium, words they know, some of words they know, but most of the words they don't. That's why I am telling them, I will give work for only 5 days or 10 days, only listening, 1 hour, 2 hours, listening. After that, they will come with a beautiful vocabularies. Why? The human tendency is like, once you unconsciously will listen to most of the things, and you will store them in your mind. Okay, once again, okay, if you are read once, today I am read one new word, okay, it is not end. Next day you need to repeat once again. It will be stored here, it will be bound in the layers will bound in the brain. You are not, one layer will bound. Okay, once again if you are repeating, another layer will bound. Again if you are repeating, third layer will bound. Until you 10 to 15 times you will recalling, until your death, you never leave that word. Until your death. जब मरते हैं ना, तब तक आप the English language, the beautiful this fellowship program I am telling you with I am connecting with a beautiful thing, that is a tree. Do you know tree? Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Banyan tree. How big it will be? Have you seen somewhere in the campus? Okay. How the roots are? What is the seed of size of banyan tree? Seed size. Okay, people tree. Do you know people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ruksha. Okay, Hindu dharma, in Hindu religion, there is a very big devotion for it. Okay. How much size it will be? Okay, that's good. Okay, nice. Okay. There's a very minute and one small dot, small that you can imagine. You can't count it. If I give an okay, this much you can't count it. How much it is? How much molecular quantity it is? Okay, it will be like this small. If you divide it into 4 or 6 parts, that will be. But if you nurturing that, if you put it in a bag in a particular form, environment, and a good air conditioned environment, it will be how it will grow. How it will grow? It will go up to 80 meters. Okay, up to 60-70 feet height, and this side width will be go around 150-200. Okay, there will be the one tree in Bengaluru. Okay, Maharuksha, Mahaladana. It will spread it around 3 acres. How much? 3 acres. Okay, you can go through the internet. You will get that. 3 acres. My dear lovely friend, Deshpanda fellowship in your life is a small seed. If you are nurturing that, you will be due. You will be due your life with a great, beautiful meaning for your life, as well as you will give shelter for number of the people. Shelter of number of the people. How? How? Means it is a tree. Okay, if you are okay, it is a tree. If you are living life, okay, how many birds will come here? How many travelers will come here? How many people will enjoy the nice air, good environment? Early morning they will give respect to that tree. Why? Small is very small. Okay, Deshpanda fellowship program is very small program for you. It is a seed. It is not a tree. It is a seed. You are seeding people. Now we are going to you people to make the tree. If you want to become a tree, you will get not only your life will meaningful, me life meaningful kaakunda, meera itarala life will beautiful chestadu. If you are not making your beautiful life and as well as you make other people's life very beautiful, it is a show. It is 100% show. I beautified my life and as well as I am making the beautiful life for the Kannada medium, English medium and Telugu medium. How? Because of I climbed it. Because of I grown like a tree. Small seed. I was a small seed. You are like. If you are adjusting with this environment, you will be like. Not only you, your parents will feel proud about you. If you are speaking in Telugu or your mother tongue, they don't respect you. It means हमारा बच्चा ऐसा है हिंदी पढ़ता है हिंदी बात करता है अब अंग्रेजी बात करने की शुरू करते हैं ना इज्जत ज्यादा होती है ओके hey my son is speaking English they will tell to other people my son is speaking English if you are not knowing it is a lifetime this is the last time chance if you want to miss you won't get anything okay okay do you understand something? Okay. How many birds will sit with the tree? How many people will travel around under the tree? So many. In your life, my dear friends, so many members will come in front of your life. Number of the people will respect you. Number of the people will get and benefit from you. Not only you, your families and everyone will get benefit. You are going to earn the money. You are going to get richness in your life. You are going to make your beauty and beautiful wife, and you will get beautiful husbands. You will get. Sure, 100%. You are not talented. You are not talented. No, you won't get it. Okay. Okay. If you want to get the beautiful wife, beautiful husband, and this is the one chance to be on. Okay, learn that. Okay, my dear. Okay, I will come right now. మీరు ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఏమన్నా నేర్చుకోకపోతే మీ జీవితాలు how many people something? Okay, 9 members. మీరు ఇది లాస్ట్ జీవితానికి లాస్ట్ ఛాన్స్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ లర్నింగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకోకపోతే మీ జీవితంలో ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకోలేరు. ఫిక్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ a fix 100% true answer for you. won't get anything. మీరు ఏమైనా నేర్చుకోవాలి మీ తల్లిదండ్రుల పేరు నిలబెట్టాలంటే మీరు ఈ ఫెలోషిప్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి చేస్తే కానీ మీకు విలువ ఉంటుంది లేకపోతే 10లో ఇంకొకటిగా నీవు ఉంటావు ఇక్కడ కంప్లీట్ అయితే 10కి లీడర్గా నీవు ఉంటావు వాట్ ఇస్ చాయిస్ ఇస్ యువర్స్ 10లో లీడర్గా ఉంటావో 10లో పందిలా ఉంటావో ఓకే ఓకే Okay, what you want to do? Padilo Pandi, Padilo leader. That's watching your options. Okay, if you are completing the Deshpanda fellowship program, you will be like a leader. Okay, otherwise you will be like a 10 लोग जा रहे हैं उसमें हम भी जा रहे हैं वही होता है there is no special apply okay why they called me okay Deshpanda fellowship program. Why they called me to interact with you? Okay, motivating as well. as well as to tell us true story. What? Which is the true we are going to tell you. If you are not doing any activities here, it is a default for your side. Here is the right schedule. Means they systematically how they plan with a scientific evidence. Scientific. How, what is the morning will be, how the next session will be. They specially designed for you. Okay. Up to your mindset, not their mindset. Up to your mindset. Up our level, mind level, our maturity level, they schedule. Okay, it will be very little bit tough, but it will be. Again, one thing, what it is? What it is? Listen more. It is not clear. How much you want to pick? Make it big. How much you want to make it big? Big for positive, not for negative. Okay. How much you want to listen? Listen more. Go through WhatsApp. Go through YouTube. Number of speeches are there. Number of the philosophy, great personalities are there. They are giving good suggestions. The year based on the trainers are there giving best training for you. Go through that. Listen and make it as much as possible with the listening skills. Okay. That's the one. Activities part, yoga you should attend. It will be give the motivation for you. If you are not doing yoga, your mind will be very upset. You don't know. You telling that hey, I am very perfect. I am अच्छी है yoga ना करे तो भी मैं अच्छी नहीं. The scientific evidence, the fresh program is connected with that. If you are doing yoga, your mind will be fresh and you are open up for the new learnings. Open up for the new learnings. Okay, if you are not open up, you won't get anything. Okay, that's yoga. There are number of activities. You can't count that how many activities they will do in every day. It is for benefit of you. Participate 100% confidently. Okay, it is a chance for making a mistake. You want to make mistake? Okay, make mistake. Making easier permitted. You want to do experiment anything? There is a chance. आप गलत करना चाहते हैं means for the learning you want to be don't fear about making mistakes. You want to speak loudly. You are the kids for us. What? Kids means chota. Yeah, we will treat like you. You speak, we will love that. How much you sniffling, we will love that. How much you are speaking, trying to speak, we love that child very keen observation. You are not speaking. आप माँ बोले तो माँ बच्चे को ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं. माँ बोलने की भी कोशिश करते हैं. माँ बोलो. What's that? That's we want your voice. We want your voice. We want listen your sweet voices. We want your sweet voices. You don't know what is your sweet voice. We know how much your voice is very sweet. We want your lovely words and stunning and babbling words. We want just speak out. As to speak out. Don't afraid. डरना मत. आपको सजा नहीं देगी. You are mistaking. They will tell, oh, I say yes. Okay. You are not committing some mistakes. It is possible. Okay. They will try you. Oh, not like this. Go this way. It is a possible. Okay. Like they will tell everything. But try to learn by mistake. You will learn by mistake. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar and any great cricketers, how many times they will practice? How much time they will practice? You know Sixer Sidhu, commentator and former cricketer. He used to wake up at 3 o'clock until 10 o'clock he used to practice. That's the important. How much you are practicing, it makes your life very beautiful. Listen first, practice and observe and interact with your friends. Another very important is friends. very important. If you are not making a good friend, he will kill you. You will make your life will be very destroyed. You can't imagine what you will do. Make the right friend, right partner for the learnings. Each other, be very cool and don't get angry on them. Try to learn each other. If you know, tell them, okay, I know this one, what you know. Just share it, knowledge share. That will make your life very hard, beautiful. Otherwise, your life will be very violent and unhappy. You can't imagine your friends how much they play the significant role in your life. The Deshmanda Fellowship program, every fellow will be very good. But if you are not a right person, you are not like just speak as much as possible, then move slowly. Don't drag them, don't poke them to be fight with you. No. Just what is your work, do it there, and presentation will be there, and work together, and nice together. Okay, this is the one thing. Okay, do you want some more, any doubts you have? Ask. You have any doubts? आप फellowship कैसा करना, क्या करोगे? आपको थोड़ा confuse हुआ तो? You will expect the questions. You थोड़ा चलन आया, anybody? What you want from us? If you want to know anything else, we will give. We will share with you. This fellowship program, who would like to for heroes? It is not for zeros. Who would like to become a hero for this fellowship program? I believe that you are the strongest person. You are the strongest person. I believe in that. That's why you came here. You are the strongest person. Your parents are the strongest person. They send for you. They have hopes on you. They have dreams on you. They have a number of expectations on you. If you are not doing anything else now, it is a waste for your life. Keep it in your mind. Work for it. Dream it for it, and try until you reach your goal. Deshmanda Fellowship will make you to show the 100% very interesting person. Personality. That's you want to be achieving your life, and be honest for the trainers, learn more things, and don't afraid. Okay, you are coming now morning. I saw that some of the fellows are not ready to come here. Okay, that's 1 day or 2 days will be there. Okay, that's situation. Later that we will be familiar each other. Then we will move very nicely. Okay, don't afraid. Don't leave this fellowship program. If you let negativity come, go with any trainer. Then if you say that, they will make you to be again more stronger to be here. Okay, that's a proof. If you are real Indian, are you giving answer that you would like to give? Really, you are Indian? Yes. Okay, you are Indian. Are you Indians? Yes. Are you Indians? Yes. Sure. Are you Indians? Yes. Are you Indians?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you complete fellowship program?
Yes, 3 years.
Okay. Do you complete fellowship program? Would you like to complete fellowship program? If you are not completing this fellowship program in any circumstances, I don't ask other obstacles. I don't listen any problems. No. I want to be you complete fellowship program and get out with a certificate, with a nice job, with a nice dynamism, with a SNA. You should go with a styling walk, beautiful, frank eyes and confident and the smile on your face. That kind of personality we want. That's where we here for that. Okay. You are a real Indian. I'm telling you, you are a real Indian. You are a real Indian. I'm telling you again. You have the patriotism and the nationalism in your heart that prove yourself in a complete Deshmanda Fellowship. Go out from this fellowship program. It will be the great asset for the country, not for you. It will be the great asset for the country and your family. You are not doing that life. You are a waste for the country. You are a waste for your family. Everything will go waste. You are the waste body. Will get a stamp on you. He's a waste guy. You won't get job anything else. He's not a good guy. You are actually one. You don't know that. Every flower is very beautiful. Every beautiful. Every flower is beautiful. Okay, it has a capacity to spread this beautiness. I are the right guy. I surely I am believing the Deshmukh Fellowship, believing on you. You are the real heroes. You are the real Indian citizens. You are going to be asset for the country, not waste for the country. Okay, you would like to accept means you దేశానికి ఉపయోగపడిన you would like to be service for the country. You don't need to be fight with the borders to be with the Pakistani other enemies. No, fight this is the environment and try to complete this fellowship program. It is the equivalent to Deshmukh like army people. When you go, I'm sure 100% telling you, you go around the country and out of the country will survive. If I knew myself, if I wanted to go somewhere, any state, I can survive. Yeah, DFP people, all the people can survive. That's why they are working here. You like, wherever you go out of the country and somewhere, you go. If you complete this fellowship program, you will be anywhere. You can work anywhere. If you are not completing, आपको गांव में बच्चों खेत करना, शादी करना, बच्चा Okay, again Telangana people. Telangana people, and I have a life example. Okay, people who earning now 20,000, 25,000 examples. One of my friends are getting good salaries and they are working in Deshmukh Fellowship program as well and other organizations. In Hyderabad and Islamabad, somewhere they are working. They are good handsome salary they are taking.
Getting 60,000 salaries and he is now
Swachh Bharat. Yeah, he was one of the people. This kind of a talent. Okay, if he did not complete this fellowship program, then he was means where it would be. What a complete shape, whatever you know. అదే పొలం పని చేస్తూ అక్కడే ఉండేవారు. Okay, they took bold decision for that. That's why they are coming here. They are gone. They are earning handsome 60,000 salary for month. That's a handsome salary. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, make it your mind very free and complete this fellowship program. I'm telling you sure. I'm not emotionally or black. No, I'm not blackmailing you emotionally. It's an 100% true. If you are not living there, if you are not living here, it's a very total foolishness. You are the great people. You are the challenge. You have the lot of potential. You should know that shaping this. They will make shape you and they will give the beautiful life for you and make very beautiful. Okay, I would like to tell you how many stories I say? One story. Story. Which is driving story? Okay. Another story I would like to tell you. By the opportunity is the right time in telling opportunities. It is a story about donkey and cat. What donkey means you know? Gada. उनका पीछे होते हैं ना? Okay. What is it? Okay. One of guy from like me or like you, one of guy love a beautiful girl. Beautiful, yeah, love one beautiful girl. And girl is saying, come with me, we will speak with my father and we will going to get married. He went there. They both together, they went there and met their father. Father has asked him a beautiful question that, how are you going to be survive my daughter? It is vice versa. If you are loving, nowadays trend is changing. You make car boy for your okay. Girl may come with your dad, and I will try to love how if your son is going to be protect myself. It is vice versa can pass them. How? Yes. If you okay, that's the answer. He gave an example or a story. He told that I will put an obstacle or challenge for you. There will be the 3 donkeys here. Okay, very strongest you will be there. I will leave here the doors. Okay, I will leave this donkey. You need to catch the tail of the donkey. This is the condition. This is the challenge for them. ओके गधा को वो पीछे होता है ना वो पकड़ना ओके चैलेंज ओके हाँ दो का पट्टाल्సిన चैलेंज दो का पट्टाली మూడు ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి 3 ఛాన్స్ తోక పడితే పిల్ల మ్యారేజ్ నో యు ఆర్ నాట్ అనేబుల్ టు క్యాచ్ నో గర్ల్ నో మ్యారేజ్ నో ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్ ఓకే ఫస్ట్ he is ready here okay he is a talented guy is waiting for here is waited for the catch okay once they okay 1 2 3 set go let's open the door the donkey is coming outside it is a donkey is very strong it is you can't imagine that's a donkey that kind of a strongest donkey and it came like this okay he thought that it is a very strong if it is another 2 chance will be there I will catch that's why I don't want to try anything else he okay he sat he stood nicely I don't know anything like okay one chance is missed okay again is telling that my dear Sanginda you want to become no let's try again 2 chances there who yourself is a very talented guy otherwise I won't give a card for you there's another donkey is coming outside from you okay it was that unfortunate thing that it is bigger than that older one okay అదేమంటే దానికిన పెద్దది इट्स अ मोटा बहुत मोटा ओके बड़ा बड़ा ओके क्या हो गया और उनको डर लग रहा है ओके if I catch that tail it will be the kick me I will be somewhere okay I will be somewhere I don't think another chance is there no another chance is there no I will catch for that I will wait for until then okay I will try and I will catch that okay you waiting for it is the last chance no that's why is very curiosity very interested is waiting for them coming out okay in full day okay focus it is donkey is coming into that donkey it is a donkey calf is donkey calf छोटा 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 बच्चा ओके का छोटा बच्चा आ रहा है ऐसे पतलू पतलू का वो ऐसा आ रहा है okay he is very enthusiastic no he is trying to catch very small I can catch his and he went there he took shock there what was the shock there is no tail for it cock okay toka lekunda there is no tail for it okay what is the story behind the story what is that yes sir if you want to be achieve something else try to be catch if it is a kicking no yes I'm ready to kick it by that okay and try I will prove myself I'm really loving my girl that's why I told love your passion love you going to become what you want to be love if it is a okay how many fellows they room for getting girl to love they will walk no they follow girls they girls follow boys they will for each other love okay, they will travel the movies you know okay how you are that's the same passionate you should try you should not like this donkey lover you should be there you otherwise you will miss chance you may think that chance will become for us like this kind of a chance will come in front of you that time what is your future very dark and unamazing how it is the stories giving any sense does it sounds nice manchi ko jarata it is a meaningful if you are not following these rules and regulations in Deshpande program you are not becoming nice you won't get anything that's why don't miss the opportunity this is the right opportunity there is no another opportunity will not come in front of you already your families and friends are expecting you the friends are saying my dost कर्नाटक गए मेरा दोस्त तेलंगाना से कर्नाटक गए कुछ सीख कर आएगी हम इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे इधर नहीं सीखोगे तो उधर आप भी हमारा साथ चलो गांव को चलो You are girl, they will get married. Okay, strongly I am telling you, one of my you want to be checked, go and check. Lata is there. Lata is working in one of the fellowship program. She was like very innocent. She unable to speak, but she completed fellowship program. She is now program associated with fellowship program. Akamsha fellowship program. Okay, they are teaching now teachers, not for the students. They are teaching for teachers. That kind of capability, the strongest, the boundness, the concrete knowledge they will get from you. If you want to become like personality, be here, stay here, hard work, and dedicate yourself. Learn more and more as much as possible. Here is technical. Means everyone will get the systems, speed your computer skills, anything. If you are, I think that after completion of fellowship program, you won't get jobs. You will ready to give jobs for others. Mindset will come. Not now, at least after 10 years, after 5 years, the mind will be there with you. Yes, how many days I work for other people? I need to work at least for the knowledge purpose, at least I need experience. I will work for 10 years or 5 years or 3 years, later that I will do. Okay. Take example, I am not telling lies. I am the example. I am the Masters in Criminology, Masters in Criminology and Forensic Science, CID, CBI, Light Investigation. And even though I had an opportunity to join somewhere. Okay, I came here based on the fellowship I completed. Now I am the president for my own organization. I am trainer for communication skills in Raichur district. And as well as I am the farmer. I had a dream that I would like to become the pro crore man, करोड़पति बनना चाहते हैं. कैसे? अच्छी तरह से, दिमाग से. Okay, सच्ची इंसान से करोड़पति बनना चाहते हैं. What is our aim? How to do the acts together without any robbery, without any committing mistakes, without any corruption. We would like to become the crore. I decided what is my passion. Okay, I came in a systematic study after the apprenticeship program. I came in my own model and observation of other people, and I got some information. I studied some case studies, and later now I planted 3 acres of sandalwood plantation. Sandalwood, you know, Bhatta Chandanam, and as well as other timber oriented plants. I planted about 3,000 plants in my land. Now it is 1 year old. If completed 6 years or 7 years, I will be 2 crore man. 1 crore man. So if I got best, if I completed the 7 years of period, I will be somewhere. I am doing any cheating? No. That's the right manner we are going to do. That's giving an example. In your life, you have a lot of dreams, you have a lot of anything.